whether you get the image from the internet or you scan the books yourself, it's not going to be perfectly aligned. I can pretty much guarantee it, unless someone took very care to do this for you already. So if you look at this thing right here, even if you don't notice, it is a little bit slightly tilted. Okay, if you do notice, then you have a very good eye. Okay, so what we're going to do is to take this thing and go to the eyedropper tool. So the eyedropper tool is, let's see, somewhere down, 5th tool down or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the eyedropper tool. But instead of using the eyedropper tool, we're going to smush down on that and find the ruler tool. Got that? If you want to, you can go ahead and, before you do anything, just bring it up a little bit closer so you know you can see what you're doing. So under the eyedropper tool, there is a ruler tool. The ruler tool will allow us to draw a line. So what I'm going to do is to select a point and another point that that I think should be straight. So maybe this point right here to that point right there might want to be straight. So if I click using the point of that cursor and draw a line, stretch it way out so that you could kind of line this line up with the edge of the building. Okay, and that looks about right. Alright, so if I do that, please note up here where it says A, right in the tool menu options bar, I'm using the ruler tool, and the width, height, and all that stuff is listed. But right now I'm interested in that angle. The angle says that it is 0.2 degrees. So it's not bad, but it is not straight. Okay, so what we want to do is to straighten that out. So if you go over to the menu tool, menu bar options, you'll see this thing called straighten layer. If you do click on that, it should have straightened that up. Okay, and now it is at 0. So what it did was to take your whole image and kind of tweak it to make that line that you drew with the ruler tool, to get that to a 0 degree. Okay, so once you do that, you know that it's fairly well straight. Of course, you have to be fairly accurate about drawing that line. It's, again, that's why I basically take a point and then draw a line way out and then turn it, you know, because if I just put the cursor right at the end point, I might not see exactly what's going on, right? So the good practice is to just take a point and not go to the actual point, but go beyond it, so that you can use a full fulcrum lever to figure out what that is. Okay.